The kick-off meeting for the Horizon Europe project, Ocean Citizen, was held in Tenerife late January this year. During 3 days, the Ocean Citizen Science Consortium worked to establish a clear and common roadmap for the next 4 years. The synergy between the involved partners was impressive, all awaiting the upcoming months to start carrying out the first evaluation steps of the studied areas and the protocols to apply. Actions will concentrate on 5 different sites distributed in 4 countries, with the island of Tenerife, Spain, as the primary location. Ocean Citizen will develop a replicable marine restoration protocol that combines habitats and biodiversity regeneration, with social engagement and economic benefits to all the local communities. The new generation of underwater gardeners and the economical sustainable program developed under the project framework will serve as central principles for a newfound harmony between the people and the ocean.